This is the CVN 70 USS Vinson story. You are looking at the United States Navy's third Nimitz-class nuclear supercarrier. Commissioned in 1982 and in active service. Her ship's motto is Vista Mare, strength from the sea. 101,300 long tons, 1,092 feet long. 252-foot beam. 260,000 shaft force from 4 steam turbines. Powered by 2A4 Westinghouse. Reactors flank speed in excess of 30 knots. Main armament includes Sea Sparrow rolling airframe missiles, Phalanx AWS air and torpedo countermeasure suites and electronic decoy systems. She normally carries 90 fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters. In this video, she is carrying a special aircraft wing, many used in the filming of Top Gun 2, FAF-18F Super Hornets, F-14 Tomcats, Sukhoi Su-57 Felons, GDF-16 Falcons, 88AC Harrier, E-2C Hawkeye, Hypersonic Dark Star. Also a helicopter and a drone are visible used during filming, as are the lighting units attached island. She was present at the fleet review on the Solon commemorating the 200th anniversary of the Battle of Trafalgar in 2005. The model is 1/200 scale course build. The nuclear-powered aircraft carrier USS Carl Vinson CVN 70 plows through the Southport Ocean. The nuclear-powered aircraft carrier is en route to the Manchester Ship Canal, stopping at the pier head to see the Beatles exhibition, calling into Costco for extra supplies, before heading onto the Manchester Ship Canal for ship's trials. The crew have to deal with many hazards on the Manchester Ship Canal. 3 swing bridges at Morley Road, Wilderspool Causeway, and Greenbank Road. The canal is known as the Big Ditch. We have been called in to help in the battle with United Utilities and the owners of the canal. But we must say trials on the water. Looking at this aircraft carrier, you would not expect it to have been a coffin from a Halloween party. Ian has expertly transformed me into this masterpiece of engineering. Must say we turn more heads now than before. Why don't you come see me and my friends any Wednesday and Sunday morning? The sailing water is Jubilee Lake, Rotten Row, Southport.